Health benefits of spirulina. Spirulina is a blue-green algae and is believed to be one of the oldest life forms on Earth. Spirulina has a bitter taste, so people often mix it with yogurt, juices and smoothies to improve its flavor. Spirulina also contains magnesium. This mineral supports normal daily functions like muscle use and your heartbeat. It also responsible for producing protein and creating energy. Spirulina is an important source of nutrients. It contains a powerful plant-based protein called phycoquinone. Research shows this may have antioxidant, pain relief, anti-inflammatory, and brain protective properties. Spirulina is linked with several health benefits. Anti-cancer properties. Many antioxidants in spirulina have anti-inflammatory effects in the body. Chronic inflammation contributes to cancer and other diseases. Phycoquinone, plant pigment that gives spirulina its blue-green color, has been found to not only reduce inflammation in the body but also block tumor growth and kill cancer cells. The immune-enhancing protein is being studied for its potential in cancer treatment. Heart health. The protein in spirulina can reduce the body absorption of cholesterol, lowering cholesterol levels. This helps keep your arteries clear, reducing strain on your heart, and that can lead to heart disease and stroke causing blood clots. These are fat in your blood that can contribute to the hardening of arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease, diabetes and pancreatitis. Spirulina increases nitric oxide production in your body as well, which helps your blood vessels relax. Study shows that this can reduce your blood pressure, lowering your heart disease risk. Allergy relief. The anti-inflammatory effect caused by spirulina antioxidants may help people with allergies caused by pollen, animal hair and dust. One study found that symptoms like congestion, sneezing, and itching were reduced significantly in participants, suggesting that spirulina may be a good alternative to allergy medication. Immune system support. Spirulina is rich in a range of vitamins and minerals essential for maintaining a healthy immune system, like vitamins E, C, and B6. Spirulina can fight herpes, flu, and HIV. Research finds that spirulina also boosts the production of white blood cells and antibodies that fight viruses and bacteria in your body. Spirulina is concentrated with zeaxanthin, a plant pigment that may reduce the risk of cataracts and age-related vision loss. Its antibacterial properties may also help promote good oral health. One study found the spirulina enhanced mouthwash reduced dental plaque and the risk of gingivitis in participants. Another study showed it lowered the risk of oral cancer in people who chew tobacco. Potential risks of spirulina. Spirulina is high in nutrient activity. You should talk to your doctor before taking it or any other supplement. It may pose health risk for some people. Toxins. Spirulina harvested in the wild and might be contaminated with heavy metals and bacteria. In high amounts, some of these toxins may stress or damage your liver. Pregnancy concerns. Blue-green algae may not be safe for pregnant or breastfeeding women. Because of the toxin risk, doctors recommend that pregnant women avoid spirulina. Bleeding disorders. Spirulina helps reducing blood clotting. It may increase the risk of bruising and bleeding in people with certain bleeding conditions. Diabetes. Spirulina might affect blood sugar levels, so people with diabetes should monitor their blood sugar when taking spirulina. Autoimmune diseases. Spirulina can support immune system function, but this could worsen symptoms in people with autoimmune diseases like lupus, multiple sclerosis, or arthritis. Talk to your doctor before adding spirulina to your diet if you have autoimmune condition. Medication interaction. Spirulina health benefits may interact with or alter certain medications effect, including those used to treat diabetes, immunosuppressants, and blood thinners. B12 deficiency. Spirulina contains high level of vitamin B12, but its content is not well absorbed by the human body. If you have a B12 deficiency, common in people with plant-based diets. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. This video is solely for informational purposes. Do not self-diagnose or self-medicate, and in all cases, consult a certified healthcare professional before using any information presented in this video. The editorial board does not guarantee any result and does not bear any responsibility for any harm that may result from using the information provided in this video.